Yeah, don't debate me on the side part because it do be eating better than the bust down. Don't debate with me. What's up, baby? It's your girl, Tanisha K, Ultimate Baddie, period. And welcome to another Amazon wig review. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are not, welcome back, girl. So we are doing another Amazon wig review. Today's wig is sponsored by The Talent Show on Amazon. It is a 613 transparent lace 12-inch bob human hair wig. So let's get into this wig. This is how it came. Like this. This is the wig. It is a 12-inch. And it came with a wig cap. So let's get into this wig, girl. Y'all don't even have to tone this one right here. Period. Alright, so yeah, she's shedding already. I would say very minimal shedding, but she's shedding already. This is what the inside of the wig. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has a band. It's not removable. Clips in the back, 2 clips in the front, and then one at the top. So let's check out this lace. So this is what the lace is giving. So this is what the lace is giving. The lace is transparent. That is what the knots are looking like. The hairline is just a tad bit pre-plugged, but you may have to go back in, you may not. It's not a heavy hairline at all, but if you want a more natural look, then you can go ahead and plug it. And this is the wig. Period. This wig looks really, really good. I don't think you would have to tone it unless you want like a platinum blonde or something more like that. Then you can tone it, but it's not like orange or brassy like most of them come. So there's no smell to it, none at all. It feels great. And yeah, so this is 180 density. I want this wig to be black girl blonde, like the honey blonde. So I'm about to go ahead and do that. If you guys are interested in seeing that process, it will be in a totally different video. But so go ahead and subscribe so you do not miss it. Yeah, but that's what I'm about to go do, and then I'll be back to install. Alright, y'all, so this is how the wig came out, and I am absolutely positively loving this color. Like, it came out so good. Okay, but I will say that I kind of biased it just a little bit. But like I said, I did do a video on how I toned this wig, this color. So either stay tuned But yeah, I'm absolutely positively loving this color. Like, this is really a black girl blonde. Yeah, period. Like, what you can't say, she is taking it, honey, baby. But anyways, we're about to get ready to install her. And yes, I'm doing my favorite side part. You got a problem with it? So you got a problem with it? Oh, okay. But yeah, we're about to do the side part. Yeah, don't debate me on the side part because it do be eating better than the bust down. Don't debate with me. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and just go ahead and install her, okay? So yeah, let's go to it. Like I said y'all earlier, this wig is really shedding. Like, yeah, this wig is really shedding. But that's okay. We're gonna make it do what it do anyways. We're gonna make it do what it do. Like, oh my goodness, look at all of this. Wow, wig. I'm not here for that. Oh, this way a little big. I will say this wig is big head friendly because she is pretty big. So, yeah. Just a little side note. Alright, so yes, I am boycotting Eben with y'all, but I'm not about to throw away the stuff that I already got. So once I run out of Eben, then I'm not buying no more, but baby, I'm about to use this. Sorry. So let's just roll this back a little bit. I'm not even really gonna let that dry. I'll just go ahead and put it on. Press it in with the comb. Now that the band is on, we're going to kind of start styling it. So like I said, I want to do a side part. This hair is shedding like crazy. So I'm going to just go in and start flat ironing it a little bit. It's like somebody's taking pictures, shut it down, 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 shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, round, round. They know you see, they know you see.
is mine. Every time you come around.
Alright, so and then it's flat ironed a little bit. I didn't do this part because we're gonna like probably cut it so it'll be a nice little, you know. So let's go ahead and take this band off and cut this lace off. So we can really get to it. We can really get to it, okay? That's that on that. Period. Let me just straighten up my parting. So we can go ahead and get to it. Alright, so let's take that band off and see what she is giving. Cause yeah. Cause yeah. Ooh. Yes, honey. So pretty, so cute. Now, she is taking it, honey. She is taking it, honey, okay? Oh, man, what? 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 Yeah, period. Period, period, period. It is eating. It is eating, honey. So, this is the wig. And she is definitely taking it. Y'all, I'm loving it so far. But y'all know, I gotta go put me on some makeup real quick. So just hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put some makeup on and I'm gonna be right back. Alright, baddies. So, this is the final look. I am absolutely loving it. The hair is super soft. It does shed a whole lot. There was no smell. It said it was a 12-inch. I don't think it's a 12-inch, but I ain't measured, so don't quote me on it. Yeah, it's a giving movement, guys. It's a giving movement. All right, so that's the final look. Period. I like it. So I'm really gonna give this wig a 9 out of 10 simply because it is shedding, but it did take the color very well. It is very soft. Yeah, so other than that, other than the shedding, that's the only complaints that I do have about this wig. But other than that, yeah, period. And like I said, there will be a video on how I colored this wig black girl blonde. So yeah, the link to this wig will be inside of the description box. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and comment and let me know how you feel about the wig. Period. The baddie is out.